Hi students, welcome to Biology Babu tutorial. Today we are going to discussing about comparison between or differences between chromosome and a gene. So differences between gene and chromosome. Each inheritance of character controlled by discrete unit. Each inheritance of character can controlled by discrete unit. Discrete unit, it is called as gene or factor. So what is the gene or factor here? Each inheritance of characters are controlled by discrete unit, that is the gene. What about chromosome? So this is each inheritance of character controlled by chromosome. It is the chromosome. So that is the each inheritance of character can controlled by chromosome, that is the chromosome. Now second differentiation. So factors are genes having pairs, that is the allele. So what is the allele? Alternative form of a gene, it is called as allele. Gene, functional unit of inheritance, it is called as genes. So each inheritance of characters controlled by discrete unit, that is the gene. Now factors or genes are having pairs, allele. Chromosomes are also having pair, so we called as homologous. Chromosomes also having pairs, we called as homologous. Paired chromosome we called as homologous. Pairs chromosome we called as homologous chromosomes. Now chromosomes are also having pairs, we called as homologous chromosomes. Now third differentiation. So factors of a gene can separated during the gamete formation. Gene separated during gamete formation. So gamete formation. Now what about chromosome? So chromosomes also having pairs, homologous chromosome. This is also chromosomes of pairs of homologous chromosome having this chromosomes, pairs of homologous chromosome can separated during the gamete formation. Separated gamete formation. Now so this chromosomes of pair of homologous can separated during the gamete formation. Now fourth differentiation here. Factors can assort independently. So factors assort independently. So factors assort independently. Now what about chromosome? Chromosomes also can assert independently. Chromosome also can assert independently. Assert independently. Now let us see how does it factors assert independently. An example here: capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Now capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. How can we independently here? Capital R, we are getting the capital R, capital Y, and capital R, small y, capital Y, small r, small y. This is the variations we are getting. So capital R, capital Y, and capital R, small y, and small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. So this is the factors assort independently. Now what about chromosomes? Chromosomes also assort independently. How does it? Now so we have to know what is the locus, specific place on chromosome where the gene is located. That is called as locus. So what is the meaning of locus? Specific place on chromosome where the gene is located. So for example here capital R, here capital Y, and small r, here small y. So chromosomes are assorted independently. So capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, or small r, small y, capital R, capital Y. So like that we are getting chromosomes are assorted independently. Who is the father of experimental genetics? T.H. Morgan we called as father of experimental genetics. So chromosomal theory of inheritance experimentally proved by T.H. Morgan. It is which scientist are verified experimentally chromosomal theory of inheritance? T.H. Morgan was verified experimentally. So that's what T.H. Morgan we called as father of experimental genetics. So father of experimental genetics. T.H. Morgan we called as father of experimental genetics. Experimental genetics. Now who is the father of experimental genetics? T.H. Morgan. Which material was chosen T.H. Morgan experimental genetics? Which material was chosen as a material for experimental genetics? That is the fruit fly. Fruit fly Mendel was chosen as the experimental material. Fruit fly, scientific name Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster. So Drosophila melanogaster. This is a scientific name of fruit fly. Fruit fly scientific name Drosophila melanogaster. Now this Drosophila melanogaster also we called Cinderella of genetics. Cinderella of genetics. Now, and this Drosophila melanogaster also we called as jackpot of genetics. Jackpot of genetics. Now, this Drosophila melanogaster also we called as Cinderella of genetics and jackpot of genetics. competitive point of view, these two names are very important. Drosophila melanogaster, also we called as Cinderella of genetics and jackpot of genetics. That is the fruit fly. Fruit fly. Now, Drosophila as a material for experimental genetics. Now, T.H. Morgan chosen experimental genetics material was fruit fly. T.H. Morgan chosen fruit fly as an experimental material for genetics. Now, let us see what are those regions. What are those regions? Now, this fruit fly or Drosophila melanogaster is having 2n condition 8. 2n condition 8. 2n 8. 2n condition diploid chromosome number of Drosophila 8. Diploid number. Now, what are those first region here? So, Drosophila or fruit fly, it is a very small in size. Drosophila was very small in size. Very small in size. Very small in size. Very small size. And the second region, it can also grown simple synthetic medium of laboratory conditions. So it can also grown simple synthetic medium of laboratory condition. Laboratory conditions. Simple synthetic medium of laboratory conditions. Now life cycle of fruit fly. Life cycle of fruit fly 2 weeks. Life cycle of fruit fly 2 weeks. Life cycle of fruit fly 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Now, what is the fourth region? This fruit fly can easily differentiated male and female. Which one is male and which one is female can easily differentiated. So, male or female, male and female differentiated easily. Differentiated easily. So male and female fruit fly can easily differentiated. Now how does it possible here? Male very small in size. Female large in size. Large size. Now, fifth point here. What is the fifth point under Drosophila? Many hereditary variations. So, T.H. Morgan observed many hereditary variations low under microscope. So, many hereditary variations. Many hereditary variations. Single matting can produce a large number of progeny flies. So single matting can produce large number of progeny flies. Large number of progeny flies. So single matting can produce large number of progeny flies. That's what these are the regions T.H. Morgan chosen as a material for experimental genetics. Now, what are those regions? This fruit fly very small in size. It can grow simple synthetic medium of laboratory conditions, and life cycle of fruit fly 2 weeks, and male and female differentiated can easily, and male is very small in size, female large in size. Many hereditary variations can observed under low microscope. Now single matting can producing large number of progeny flies. So this is the regions P.H. Morgan was chosen experimental material for genetics.